Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very gray, foggy day and I'm loving it. I can't choose which season I like more, summer or fall. I'm like a very heat person. Like I love when it's hot out. I'd much rather be too hot than too cold. But at the same time, I love fall. It's such a vibe. The leaves change, not so much in Southern California, but I love fall outfits. I love fall scents. The pumpkin spice latte I've gotten way too many times this year. So it being a foggy day today and actually being able to wear a long sleeves is so nice. Right now I'm at Target. My fridge is literally empty. It always gets to this point where like I literally didn't eat breakfast this morning because I don't have anything in my fridge. Just another day living alone. I have wanted one of these for so long, so I'm so excited, and it's only $14.99. I'm gonna cook my garlic in this. Okay, now it's time to shop for what I actually needed. Wow, I was in there for over an hour. I think that was a very successful trip. Once I make dinner, I'm gonna light all these candles. And I have this set of dishes, which I feel like are perfect for fall. They have all these leaves on them. There's like a bowl and then 4 cups. My new pot. This is just gonna set the vibe for tonight. And I haven't lit either of these yet. I just love fall time. So here's what we're working with tonight. I am actually so excited. I never really get in the cooking mood anymore. So when I am in the mood to cook, I like really try to take advantage of that and make some good stuff. Cutest dinner setup. Oh my god, this food looks so good. I'm so excited. I can't eat without watching something, and I am the biggest fan of The Office. It's my favorite show. It's my comfort show, and they actually have extended episodes on Peacock. So all of the episodes have extra scenes. I am extremely full. That was such a good dinner. Now that I finished cooking and I'm done with dinner, I'm gonna clean my apartment. It is a mess. This area of my apartment looks way better. I feel like making my bed and like starting in this area of my room always makes cleaning go by much faster, and even picking up this part where I get ready in the morning. I just reorganized my shower shelves to make them more with fall products. This looks so much better. And these are also the products I've been using recently. A lot of these I shopped for in one of my last videos. It's just nice to see all these colors and scents together, especially this top shelf. These are like my favorite hair products recently, and then paired with my new pumpkin spice scents. I'm so excited to shower right now. god, I just spent 4 hours in that Starbucks. I'm telling you, when I go to a coffee shop to work, I'm on my grind. I was literally just saying that in one of my last videos, like just changing up your setting and working somewhere new and like going there with a purpose to be productive, it always works for me. I went in there at 1:30 and now it's almost 6. Like, it's literally the end of my day. I spent my day at Starbucks editing a video, but I'm so proud of myself. I got a pumpkin spice latte, I plugged in my laptop, and I edited for hours. It's time to clean my bathroom. This is like the dirtiest it's ever been. I have soap in like the shelves right here and one of them leaked, so I had to clean it out. And I ended up just putting all of the stuff that was in the basket right here, so it's like such a mess. But I washed out the soap, so I'm gonna reorganize everything back into this basket. This is where I was keeping like a lot of my skincare, hair care. I need to put a new toothpaste out. I love my bathroom and I spend a lot of time in here getting ready, so it does get dirty fast, but this is pretty bad. Looks so much better. Like, this is such a huge improvement. I actually want to be in here and like get ready. It looks so cute. I love how my products are all set up because there's so many different colors and it's so cute. And this like spinny tray, this is like one of my favorite bathroom purchases. Every time my apartment gets messy, I always put it off for so long because I'm like, I don't want to clean right now. Like, that sounds like the worst thing ever. But there's something so satisfying about cleaning your apartment and then having it like completely refreshed. Like, it really transforms the space. It makes me feel so much more productive too. Just when I wake up and like my apartment's clean or I have people over and it like looks so nice. Every time I clean my apartment, I'm like, I really need to have it like this more often. I'm gonna just clean all the time and have it perfect like every day, but that never happens. So yeah, it got to a bad point and now look at it. It's like shining and sparkling. The mirror is clean too. Like, it just looks so much better. Dinner, and look how perfect our avocados are. We're so good at picking avocados. Today's video is sponsored by CASETIFY. I love this phone case company because their cases are cute and protective. They sent me 2 phone cases to show you guys. These are the Impact Ring cases. These phone cases are super protective and very cute, and the cool thing about them is this ring feature. Basically, this part around the camera comes out and it ends up acting like a stand when you put your phone down. So I love this feature because you can't really tell on the phone case that it has this. It just looks like a regular phone case until you pop it out. I love using this, especially when I'm cooking and I want to prop up my phone and follow a recipe, or when I'm on a call or FaceTiming my family. I also love using this when I'm watching a show and getting ready. I love doing my makeup in front of my mirror and then also having like a show playing in the background. So there are so many ways to use these phone cases, and the prints are so cute. I got this one in this pink and red checkered like swirly print, and then this blue one, which I'm obsessed with. I feel like these prints are so cute for this time of year. So definitely click the link in the description to check out CASETIFY and go to casetify.com/Zhirelle for 15% off. I'm sure you guys know by now how obsessed I am with the pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. I've gotten it so many times since it's came out this season, and I love coffee in general. I've showed you guys my cute coffee setup in my kitchen a million times. It's one of my favorite parts of my morning routine. But I went to the store yesterday and I saw this Chobani coffee creamer, pumpkin spice flavored, and I was like, it would be so fun to try and make a pumpkin themed drink at home. I'm gonna try to make pumpkin cold foam, which is like my favorite thing ever, and use this pumpkin creamer in my coffee. So I got the pumpkin coffee creamer, I got heavy whipping cream, and I got a can of pumpkin. I'm gonna make my coffee as usual and then make it fun and fall themed. So I just boiled my water. I'm gonna add it to my French press that I just washed. I already have a bunch of coffee beans grinded, so I'm just gonna add this. If you guys were curious, these are the coffee beans that I use to make my coffee every day, so that's what's in here. I'm just gonna use this because I know I love it. So I'm making my coffee as usual. It's steeping right now. So in this cup, I'm gonna make the pumpkin cold foam, and I'm gonna start with the heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna open up the pumpkin. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of this. And then I already have the vanilla, so I'm gonna put this in too. And I'm kind of just guessing on everything. Next, I'm gonna use my frother and put it all together. All right, let's try this. That is so good. Oh my God, it's perfect. All right, so back over here. I'm gonna pour in my coffee. And let's try out this cream. I'm so excited. And now we add the cold foam. Cheers! This turned out amazing. Well, I love it. The only thing I have missing is the pumpkin spice that goes on top, but I couldn't find it. I'm gonna go to Target and look for it. I wanna like stock up on this so I can have pumpkin coffee every day, even after the season. Round of applause. I'm gonna be making this at home all the time. This is so good. Obsessed with my fall setup. It finally feels like October now. This looks so cute. I even set out my plates already because I have these placemats that my grandma made me last year. So I was like, let me just set the table. And I have this pumpkin candle. It's so cute because it literally looks like a pumpkin. I got it at the beginning of this video. So I lit that and it's the perfect fall scent. And this one reminds me so much of the Leaves candle from Bath & Body Works. So I'm gonna drink my new favorite drink. Next day, I've had such a busy morning. I went out to breakfast with one of my good friends from high school and we went to a crystal shop and a bunch of cute little stores in LA. I want to give you guys a haul of what I got and just update you guys with what I have going on today. So I definitely want to finish cleaning my apartment and Enzo is coming over later. I also signed some paperwork and had a call. So I was like, let me just sit down and give you guys a little haul. So first I went to my favorite crystal store. I've been here so many times and I've spent so much money. So I got this bracelet, another one added to my collection. This is an Amazonite. And then I also got a gift for my dad. It's his birthday next week. He loves to meditate. And I also wanted to get him something that had to do with dreaming. So I got him this Caribbean calcite. This is one of the prettiest crystals I've seen. I never get these tower ones because they're so expensive, but I thought it was perfect for him. It's so pretty. And then I went to a shop that was right next door and it had like a bunch of really cute random things in it. First, I got this pillow. Look how cute. Like, I'm so obsessed. It has these two cherries on it. So I'm so excited to put this like on my bed or on my couch. This was calling my name as soon as I saw it. I bought this plate. It's pink and it has this eye. They had all different colors, but I went with the pink one. I just think it's so cool, so pretty. I love shopping for home decorations, so I'm so excited to decorate with these. I want it to be fall so bad, but it's just so hot. I think it's like 90 degrees today, but I was gonna wear a sweater this morning. I was gonna dress all fall and cute. I know it's gonna be this hot for like another month. So cute. He loves my balcony. I literally just walked through the lobby up to my apartment like this. I have 3 packages in this bag and I'm holding like 10. I just got back from a 2-week trip and I came home to all these packages. I'm so excited. I've always wanted to film one of these unboxing videos. I only ordered these 2 packages. So these are the only packages that I know what they are. The rest of these are gonna be a mystery and I'm so excited to open them. So it's gonna be like Christmas. I guess we'll start with these because I know what they are. I don't really shop on Amazon that often, but I saw these 2 tops and I couldn't resist. They are too cute. So I bought this this top in 2 different colors. I'm the type of person where if I like a clothing item, I'm gonna buy it in every color. So I bought this top in pink and brown. So this is a skincare brand. It's a spray serum. So excited to try this out. I know what brand this is from because I've received a package from them before, and also because their logo is on the side. I opened this one already because I couldn't wait. I'm obsessed with this brand. This is from Drunk Elephant, and they sent me this. It's a really cute nighttime skincare set. So it comes in this little makeup bag. It comes with 4 products. One is the whipped cream moisturizer, glycolic night serum, the jelly cleanser. I have those 3 products, and they're literally 3 of my faves. And then I also get to try this eye balm. So thank you so much to them for sending this to me. I'm constantly talking about their products on my channel. If you guys have seen my bathroom, it's filled with their products. I'm so excited to try these. Maybe I'll use it tonight. Next, the tape on this box gave it away. My jaw dropped when I opened my mailbox. This is a package from Olaplex. I actually just tried one of their products for the first time. Wait. There's so many products in here. So I got this Bond Maintenance Shampoo, Bond Maintenance Conditioner, a Blonde Enhancer Toning Conditioner, and the toning shampoo because I highlight my hair and I'm going in to get it lightened again next week. Look at my roots, they're like growing out. So I'm so excited to try these. So excited. And then there's also this Lash Bond Building Serum. And then we have a volumizing blow dry mist. A hair perfector. Oh my gosh, this was the product I just bought in one of my last videos. This is the Olaplex Bonding Oil. This is like my dream package. So that is it for that stack, and now we move on to this one. I'm gonna open these up right now, but look how many different colors there are. I always go for vegan makeup brands, so I'm so excited for these. Next, we have these 2 packages from Papier. I actually worked with them last year for a video. Wait, look at these. Oh my god, I can't wait to open these. Like, they have my name at the top. This one has the cutest pencil bag. These are mini highlighters. These are so cute. And then this is a rollerball pen. Like, it's so cute to match my pencil bag. It makes me so excited to plan. This is a huge box. I'm working with this Korean skincare brand. Oh, I'm so excited to try all this. The last box that I have is from Bloom. I've heard so many good things about this brand. That is it for this unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys what my floor looks like right now because it is a mess. But I wanted to say thank you to all the companies who sent me these products. I love getting stuff like this and trying them out and being able to give you guys an honest review on all of this stuff. And I also wanted to say while I film this section of the video that I am so grateful for all of you guys. I know none of this would be possible if it wasn't for you guys watching. I think about it every day. Like, this would not be possible. I would not have this amazing job and get to work with these amazing companies if it wasn't for you guys watching. So thank you so much. Now I have to put everything away and I'm going to sleep.